after discussion of that, what was the khitabat and what is the hukm shari, what is mahkum alayh, no, we will forward on the topic that is capacity. So as we discussed that capacity is اهلیت, الاهلیہ. اس کا مطلب ہے کہ ایک انسان اہل ہے یا نہیں. اب اہلیت کیا چیز ہے ہم نے اس کو ڈیفائن کیا تھا. اہلیت کے اندر ہم نے کہا تھا کہ بھی دو جہتیں ہیں. There were two dimensions of capacity and اہلیہ. One dimension in which we decide that whether rights and liabilities can be established upon a person or not. So in one dimension, the discussion was about the establishing the rights for a person or establishing the liabilities upon a person. So one dimension of اهليت was establishing the rights for or liabilities upon a person. So this is the one dimension of the اہلیہ. In this dimension we just discuss about the establishing the rights. Just establishing. We do not raise a question how he will get right. We do not discuss how he will perform his liabilities, how he will perform his duties. We just whether rights can be established for him or whether liabilities can be established upon him. Just establish. یعنی مختصر الفاظ میں آپ یوں سمجھ لیں, ہم یہ بات کرتے ہیں اس جہت کے اندر, اس ڈائمنشن میں, کہ ایک انسان کے حقوق ثابت ہیں کہ نہیں, ایک انسان کی ذمہ داری ثابت ہوتی ہے یا نہیں. صرف ثابت ہوتی ہے کے اوپر ہم اس ڈائمنشن میں ڈسکشن کرتے ہیں. اور جس ڈائمنشن میں ہم یہ ڈسکشن کرتے ہیں کہ اسٹیبلش ہوتی ہے یا نہیں, اس ڈائمنشن کو نام دیا جاتا ہے اهليت الوجوب. So this dimension in which we establish the rights for or liabilities upon a person, we call this type of اهلية اهليت الوجوب. It is translated capacity of acquisition, capacity for acquisition. So this is اهلية الوجوب, because acquiring rights, acquiring the liabilities, just acquirement, just establishing, so that is why this is known as اهلية الوجوب. ایک چیز انسان کے اوپر واجب ہوئی ہے نہیں, اس کے اوپر ذمہ داری واجب ہے, اس کے لیے حقوق واجب ہے, تو یہ صرف یہاں پر وجوب کی بات ہوتی ہے. وہ کیسے حاصل کرے گا, حقوق کیسے ادا کرے گا, اپنے حقوق کیسے لے گا, ذمہ داری کیسے ادا کرے گا, ان سوالوں کا جواب اس اہلیت کے اندر نہیں دیا جاتا. سو جہاں پر صرف اس بات کی بات ہو رہی ہوتی ہے, حق ثابت ہے, ذمہ داری ثابت ہے یا نہیں, وہ صرف یہ ہم اس ڈائمنشن میں ڈسکشن کرتے ہیں. Now the second dimension is performance of duties or liabilities. Now, if liabilities are established upon someone, now the question is how he will perform. If rights are established for someone, the question is how he will receive his rights. So these questions are answered related with this second dimension of the اہلیہ, that performance of duties are liabilities. This dimension is known as ahliyatul adab. This second dimension is known as ahliyatul adab. In English it is translated capacity to execute या capacity of execution भी कहा जाता है. It is also known as capacity to execute. अहलियतुल अदा, अदा करने की अहलियत का होना, अदायगी की अहलियत का होना, तो हम कहते हैं this is the capacity. अहलियतुल वुजूब and अहलियतुल अदा both depends upon some other thing. अहलियतुल वुजूब, it depends upon life. Ahliyatul wujub depends upon life. If a person, mukallaf, is alive, then we will say that there is ahliyatul wujub for him. Then ahliyatul wujub will be established for him. Whether it is deficient or complete, it will be decided through the rights and liabilities are just rights in this way. But the ahliyatul wujub will be established, will be proved for a person if he is alive. So this is for life. Then ahliyatul ada, it depends upon intellect, aql. So ahliyatul ada depends upon aql. If aql means here maturity, and we further will discuss the later. So this is the ahliya, and these are the two dimensions, and these are the two types. Further, each of these two types are further divided into two types. Now let's move that. Complete capacity of acquisition and deficient capacity of execution. Capacity for acquisition. So these are complete ahliyatul wujub kamila, complete, mukammal, and ahliyatul wujub naqisa, deficient. So these are the two types of ahliyatul wujub. Ahliyatul wujub kamila and ahliyatul wujub naqisa, complete and the deficient capacities. Now we differentiate between that, whether this is deficient ahliyatul wujub or complete ahliyatul wujub. Now, in ahliyatul wujub kamila, we discuss two dimensions. Number one dimension is establishing of the rights and establishing the liabilities or duties. यानी हुकूक और जिम्मेदारियां जहां दोनों के दोनों एक इंसान के लिए साबित की जा रही हों, तो हम कहते हैं कि ये अहलियतुल वुजूब कामिला है. So complete capacity of acquisition will be called where rights and duties both are being established for someone, then we will say that that guy possesses ahliyatul wujub kamila, because his two dimensions are being established. But here in the ahliyatul wujub naqisa, not two dimensions are being established here. In this case, just there is a discussion of rights, only rights, no here, no duties. You can say that no duties directly performed. No duties directly performed. It means if there are some duties here, but he will not perform directly, then who will perform? Another guy will perform. And we will discuss it further in the next cases.